G'day, welcome to DY. Let's have a look. G'day Northern Beaches, we're just down in DY Beach checking out the waves. Have a look, they're pumping. Getting a coffee, taking a break from crawling around in roofs. We do electrical and air conditioning. Look up Ready Electrical and Air Conditioning or at Ready EAC on Instagram. We can sort you out for electrical works. We've got lighting, downlights, pendants. We've got garden lights. Also do new power circuits, power points. We can move them around wherever you want. Air conditioning, we do split systems, ducteds, the works. Give us a call if you're renovating. We need a plan and get it sorted before it gets too late and we box ourselves out. If you want to get it done right the first time, we're the guys to call. 15 plus 5-star reviews, you can trust us. We'll do a good job first time, every time. We don't muck around. Give us a call.
I'm trying to put you in the worst